Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you get one at a low cost right now with the Cyber Mondays going on. Definitely take advantage of this sale. And hope everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Another Prime unboxing to do. Go. And you guys can check me out on Amazon Live. I'll be doing that every day pretty much at nighttime also, and I'll leave the link down below for that. So we shall see what this is. Oh boy, happy Thanksgiving belated to everybody. Hope everyone's got their turkey on. And now we're about to show you guys. Looks like a monitor. Ooh, a nice Echo Show 5 compact Echo with 5.5-inch screen. Here we go, guys. Should be fun. Put you down a little bit, just a little bit. Open this thing up, set it up really quick, and see what this thing can do. I've seen them before. I just never owned one until now. And you guys can own one half off with the Cyber Monday going on. Click the link down below, add it to your shopping cart, get it fast shipped to you, 1-day shipping on these. So we got Alexa. Alright. Amazon Music, Spotify, Apple Music. I could have Prime Video. Whoa. Jeopardy. Smart things, that's like your smart switches, your air conditioning. Oh no, not the Jonas Brothers, no. Oh, kind of like a portable karaoke. Really cool. Got the cameras you can hook it up to. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. Definitely excited now. Like I said, I've seen them before, just never had a chance to grab one until now. So here we go. Let's take a look what the hype is all about. Come on now. There we go. That's a nice screen. So you get some goodies probably in the bottom. Yep. I know there's accessories I could buy. I'm gonna have to take a look, see what they have available. There we go. Echo Show. We got adapter, power supply. I don't think we need this. Gotta find where I could rip it. There we go. Oh, easy does it. Alrighty, guys, that's what it looks like. Power now. Here we go. Take this rubber band off. Little guy. We don't need him no more. And let's untangle this thing out. Oops. Come on. There we go. There we go. Here's the screen. That's a nice 5.5-inch screen. Could definitely watch some movies on it. It's portable. Take it to your garage, your man cave, the bathroom, your office. There we go. Let it breathe. Oh yeah. Here we go. Look at that. This is a speaker. Got the USB right there. You can also have another line out. And you can add a stand to it. I got a lot of cool things for these. A lot of cool accessories. Here's the top. Alright, this is a good purchase. Like I said, they got them on sale right now. They are selling out too. They're moving with this sale. Can't be anywhere else. I gotta unplug something really fast. I'll get back in a few. Alright, we got it. Got that plugged in. Gotta find the cord. Here we go. And we got Santa Claus coming now. Definitely add this to your wish list. And the plug is right here. USB. You can hook up your iPod, any kind of Android music devices, surround sound. All we need is this today. Oh boy. Kind of nervous. Ooh. That was easy. I'm going to have to hide you guys for a second. We'll see it together. Can't see me. Ew. Echo. It's like Echo the Dolphin. Really cool. I might have to set up my passwords and all that good stuff. That plays a little music. Okay. Oh. Echo. Alright. I'm going to pause you guys.
Your Echo Show 5.
Alright guys, we got it set up.
Here are 3 things to try first.
This is what it looks like.
Number 1, use your voice. You could say something like, Alexa, play happy music.
Okay, here's a station you might like.
Oh no.
80s pop on Amazon.
Here we go.
Number 3, choose your perfect clock face. To get started, say, Alexa, customize my clock.
Whoa. That's pretty cool.
This is just the beginning of things you can do with your Echo Show 5. For more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say?
Whoa.
Welcome to your new Echo Show 5.
Alright. Pretty cool, guys. Hold on one sec. Oh wow, so far I did the display for your custom clock. It shows how to make chicken tomatoes. Alright. Morning rooster. Oh, it plays the Amazon music also. Alexa, play some... No. Alexa, tell me a joke. Alexa, cancel.
What did the coffee say to the cream? It's hard for me to espresso myself, but I really love you a latte.
Oh, lordy. Alexa, tell me another joke.
Why did the human cross the road? Because a neural impulse in the brain directed the muscles in the legs to contract and extend in that direction.
Wow. Alexa, my horoscope.
L horoscopes by the Astro Twins. What sign do you want the horoscope for?
Aries.
With L horoscopes by the Astro Twins, you can get your horoscope for today. For example,
Aries. Why in the work? Alexa, Aries horoscope.
L horoscopes by the Astro Twins.
Oh, here we go.
Aries, December 1st. Even the trailblazing ram can learn something from most. Okay, many people, if you can humble yourself enough to listen with open ears. The good news is that listening and gleaning information doesn't require you to surrender your will or kowtow to opinions you don't support. On Saturday, before the moon shifts out of structured Capricorn in your professional realm, consider that there might be good reasons to follow protocol. But later in the day, when La Luna boogies into free-spirited Aquarius.
Wow. That's really cool. Definitely get YouTubers, check this out. Amazon Echo. Like I said, you could do watching Netflix, Disney Plus. You could do all your social media, Twitter, and all that good stuff right on this device. Skype, you could do. If you have your Ring, you could have Alexa pull it up. So, something different, guys. Check it out. Amazon Echo Show 5. Got it now for the Cyber Monday deal going on. You guys have a great weekend. Be safe. See you soon.